Don't stand on the tanks though.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Protect the borders at all costs!
Beware.
Get those billows pumping!
Go back.
Beware.
Engineers really. I don't think I'm gonna get that extra bomb.
On this engineer.
Beware.
I got him.
A little bit more damage as engineer.
Beware.
Cocoon's
He repairs, I can't get it.
Dr. God Smash, so use.
This will sweat 'em out!
Beware.
On this engineer, engineer 4.
Yeah, one bomb cast, all we need to kill. I believe. Unless someone... Did someone just go in on this one?
No idea. Alright, he's casting it. Now I can die.
Security guard ran over to your
Upper
side
amp.
instead of ours. My second CC miss. Careful.
Branch, watch out. Too
Should
too
be
close.
enough.
Sorry.
Should be enough.
Call in more security!
Personals amp now, everybody.
Oh, the purple. Fuck. Don't knock him into.
Did a stun hopefully does something?
Beware.
Sorry, I didn't knock him out of that.
I already got my
Alright,
slag
start
ready to
getting on the
shoot.
slag. Get on the slag.
Beware.
Those things are low enough, they'll die.
Slag's dying.
Go.
Beware.
That's pretty interesting.
Finish elsewhere real quick. Never mind, he died.
Beware.
Fire callers killing.
Watch out, melee, I have volatile fire.
5, 4, 3, 2.
It's blowing.
Do the slag.
Beware.
I got a
Slag's
fire.
dying.
Really?
Dropping soon.
Beware. Beware.
Fire caller.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Beware.
Alright, kill that slag. I got interrupts on this fire.
Slag's dying.
Beware.
Five, four, three, two,
Beware.
To die is get around.
I'm fixing it. I'm making a beeline for the other side.
Get a little security guard while it's here.
There's one stuck usually.
Beware.
Is what? Vault fire and then melee thing.
Okay, please leave.
I have the elemental on me, stated.
There's like 3 of us that do.
Kill fire color.
Kill Prime. Not the one that's
Him
Prime.
and amp.
Elementalist.
Him and amp. Him and amp. Right now.
Primal.
Beware.
Get under 50.
Beware.
Fire colors. Fire colors.
They're out kind of by the security guard.
five,
You gotta make
I don't
sure
see
this
the other one yet.
primal elementalist
It's on
dies.
Rock.
2, 1.
Illor taunted it in.
Get on moon. Moon's dying. Make sure elementalist dies. Go finish.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Hard cleanup.
5, 4,
Fire colors. Make sure they're straight dead.
1.
I walled.
Rally. 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 Rally.
Need a kick on the moon.
Arctos tied.
Okay, moon's dying. Get ready.
5,
Big burn.
3, 2,
Hot and go.
1.
No cast. Get off. Hard, hard, hard. Execute.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Fire call.
Fire
Don't
color.
fuck up, Slag.
You have that paint sub? Could use it.
What's
Fire
on you?
color's dead.
Not fixated. Get on melee. Or actually, wait until fire. It's range. Wait until fire colors are dead to do.
Taunting and flipping.
Security guard's dead.
Melt soon. Caloray. Shootkin. Stop putting them in the corner. You gotta put them backward.
There's no room back there!
Get on the boss if you're
Why
not
they're fire
fixated.
No,
great.
half bar.
There's one
Got
slag about to die that's on side. Just make sure you're not near.
AM the next blast.
Taunting.
Build tour. If you're not, drop a barrier on the boss for the next one.
He's staying here for that.
I'll bomb the next one.
Yeah, do that.
Yeah.
Calorie
Melt
melt,
on
melt, calorie
calorie.
melt. Moving them out a little bit.
Use your personal. Vigilant about health potting too.
Taunting.
Less
Do a
than
him.
15.
Do a him. Do a him. Dr. Amp.
Melt.
It's on Arctos. Remember, don't Nuke everyone if you're
Less than
fixing.
5.
Get ready for big damage, healers. Be ready
Go,
for the
go, go, lust.
Drop a link Arctos if you have one.
Keep taking melt out. Keep calling it out when you see it.
Use part. You
Melt
have to
on that.
live. You have to use health pot. You have to live.
Want Tide?
Yeah, use it. Revival subs. You have to do everything you can to live.
Counting with wall.
Living is the only important.
You just take until you die, Ron. Unless you want me to taunt.
Sure, I can keep it.
Revival's up in 20. Just.
I think it'll be dead before.
I'm rallying now.
Fucking kill it.
Call out melt vein.
Mount on vein. Mount on vein.
Never mind, I'm gonna taunt because I wanted to die at my.
I want to live.
Good job.
yeah.
Rashers.